Morning, guys. It's actually not that early. It's 8:13, but I let myself rest a little bit this morning because I did not get good sleep, if you can tell by my eyeballs. I am finishing up packing for my trip that I'm going on. This is a vintage Billabong case that I got from Goodwill Bins that I'm obsessed with. This is the bag I'm bringing. I'm bringing this to... We cannot be mad at people for things that are out of their control. That's the lesson I'm learning in 2024, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna maybe do a little time-lapse moment so I can be motivated. Also, this shirt is not a Taylor Swift reference. It's a Harry Styles reference, okay? Because he wore this shirt one time and I thought it was cute. Whoa! And so I got it. This is the most important part of a trip. Okay, it's laundry detergent. Okay, and just stopped filming. I'm probably not gonna do anything with this footage. I just wanted to talk because I'm bored. Stay nice and organized. But we'll see how that turns out. Okay. I'm gonna wear this Abercrombie shirt, which is probably not the best road trip shirt because it makes me have pit stains, but I'm also keeping... Why is it so flat? It doesn't look that flat from whatever. I'm gonna wear this with some Levi's and... What shoe should I bring y'all? I don't know. Hey!
Oh God.
I look ugly. They gave us sweet tea instead of unsweet, so that means I didn't drink it.
And now I have to pee.
We only have 66 miles to go, bruh. 66 miles, we're on 54. Guys, I'm winning the race so far.
We left after them.
Way after. No hate, but Logan drives slow apparently. You didn't hear that from me. Oh no!
It's okay.
Does she stick?
Yeah.
Maryland is fugly.
Wait, what the fuck is leaking? Vlogging? Give me the camera. Okay, there we go. Her license plate says... Y'all see that this crack? Oh. Give us a little
sneak peek.
Shut her up, didn't I? Yeah. There we got Daddy God. Well, they try to get me.
Okay guys, here's our dinner. I just made these mashed potatoes. I vlogged, Brie.
Oh,
okay.
Like,
You're awkward. Brie is making shepherd's pie, like a medieval woman. We made a little charcuterie.
why are we not all wearing our elf ears?
Oh my.
Yeah, we do this.
Hey guys, we're here. I can't set this anywhere. Oh no, I got a stain on my dress.
So cute.
Hey guys. Feeling sweaty.
And then I'm brushing.
I know I bought an Integer game
Oh.
a while ago, but I don't remember.
Oh.
I never played it.
Lean back for a second.
Okay.
Hey friends.
Oh, here we go.
Oh.
She said no.
Guys, it's a reunion. This is the original YouTube collaboration of the century. We're trying to play a game.
Oh yeah, sorry, you were using that. Dude, I have to find my hidden games because I like hid it because I didn't want to see. Maybe I should just look up.
Oh my gosh, guys. We're in it. We're in it. Oh, uh-oh.
Don't worry, will we try that?
Let's see. Oh.
I'm gonna have to Google that one.
Good morning, guys. We are leaving Alexandria this morning.
I just get the Wawa mac and cheese on my sweatshirt real quick for the chicken stick.
Guys, I don't know what my glasses are. To this bed.
I just have a lot of shit.